Hello everyone, I am LALRAMNGAIHA. I'm 25 years old and I'm staying at Amveng South Aizol with my family. I'm interested in singing, dancing and helping others. I'm a teacher at National Institute of Open Schooling. I'm here as one of the finalists of Mr. India Mizoram 2019. I had started modeling since 2018. The slogan of Man of the World India, that is, masculinity with responsibility, is not just about a physical body, but also the responsibility carried out as a man. In my opinion, every man have different characters. We can do many things for our country. We have to avoid alcohol and drugs, including tobacco products. If we do that kind of things, there's no chance for us to uplift our country. So starting from me, say no to drugs and alcohol. I'm here to pursue my dream. Please keep supporting me. Thank you.